Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yassine Ahmed, and I'm going to present to you just a little bit of information today about an amazing project, one that I found and I've been involved with has led up to this project for a few years now. So, based on a response that I got from a focus group just yesterday or 2 days ago now, and I thought maybe we should take this a little bit further and introduce this project to others within the sphere of that I can reach either through my different social media platforms or what have you. So here we go. Xiden. Xiden is a blockchain, and if you really want to know more about it, there's the white paper there. Please take your time and read it, and I think you'll be as amazed as I was regarding this blockchain. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit to just show you some of the information. It's a decentralized network that provides users with the opportunity to have a free, unrestricted, and permanent internet connection, regardless of the user's location or device. By decentralizing the internet, the user is no longer conditioned by affiliation or association with an internet service provider. No longer has limited access to certain parts of the internet, and its identity will be permanently protected and secured. I don't know how much of that you really understand what that means, because a lot of us don't understand how the internet has become invasive, or things that are with the internet has allowed the intrusion into our lives and our privacy and our security. This is a project that is designed to increase your privacy, to really give you privacy, give you security, give you access to information that is unbiased information. There's a lot to this project. I do not want to go off into a lot of that information. You will find the links that will help you understand just how broad and this project is, and just how beneficial it is, not to a particular group of people or nation or what have you, but to all of the people who take advantage of it. And that includes you and I and everyone else that will take an opportunity and be part of this project. It is so. This is it. The link will be there, and I encourage you to go down and take a look. And don't forget, read the white paper. That's where it all starts at. Okay. So there are a couple of tokens that are involved with this project. One of them is the EAI, or the Xiden. It is it is listed. Both of them are becoming more and more listed. They're getting out there. Um, we're going to have a lot going on. A lot of information will be shared, and you're going to be impressed by it. So the next coin is the Xden. Now this is the coin that is you might say integral to the Xiden blockchain. You'll read more about it, and you'll understand just what I'm saying, and you'll understand the excitement that I have. Now let's take a look. This is Coin Market Cap, right? Let's take a look at Coin Market Cap and see where these two coins or tokens are, right? Now, Xiden, the EAI, and I want to explain what that is, but I'll just say that it is a coin that has a service. It provides a service to just about everyone. It's just an amazing coin. It is secured by the technology, and that's why it has. If you look, and not gonna tell you, I'm gonna ask you to go and take a look at the information and take a look at the history of this coin and see what it's doing. And I think you, like myself, will become very interested in this. Okay. Here we are. The second coin is the one that is, again, as I mentioned, this is an integral coin to the blockchain, Xiden blockchain. You'll find it XDEN or XDEN. Here again, it has done remarkably well in a short period of time. How short? You go take a look. what's going on with this coin, you'll know when you go through the information that I've shared with you in the description. Please don't hesitate. Go down that description. They've been placed there strategically for you to go to each link and find more information, including how you can take the opportunity and be a part of this project, right? Okay, at the level that you feel comfortable. This is what I wanted to show you also. Now, one of the things is that, okay, you hear people, they say, oh, there's 10x, we're going to go 10x and we're going to do this, that, and the other, right? So, okay, you see where this coin is, and once you look at the history of it and you see how well it is doing, and you might just be able to do that by simply looking at this chart, right? But what you have an opportunity to when you join this project, and I'm inviting you to join what I call it the Xiden team, right? The link is in the description. Now, what do? Check this out. You come over here once you get this, and you have a lot of technology here. I didn't mention Decision Point and Decision Point Crypto. Those are AI driven and analytical software that is unbiased, and it brings you the information, and you get to really, there's another video, you'll find it in the description. It is a, and in fact there may be more than one there, that give you a demonstration of how amazing this decision point is. Analytical software. You want stocks, you want to know about companies, you want to know about just about anything. It can gather that information from over 130,000 points and growing. And again, it's AI driven, it's unbiased, it's not working on an algorithm such as your Google searches and so forth, right? No, this is better than that. This is more than that. This is fairer than that. And this is what we all needed. It levels the playing field, access to information, access to knowledge, and you can do it in a fraction of the time. And I'll just be very brief here. I'll tell you a little story. I have a friend of mine who's been trading stocks for over 40 years. He spends, to this day, much of his day involved with checking out these stocks. He's always, what's going on? Financial channels, advisors, this, that, and the other. Honestly, this software will allow him to do what takes him much of his day. He can do it in minutes, less than an hour. It depends on how many stocks or how many companies he decides to look into. And the same goes for the Decision Point Crypto. But that's not why I came over here. I wanted to show you this. Let's go down here and it says buy. Okay. Now, as I said, there are certain products. These are all around the blockchain, and they add value to it while at the same time giving you the quality of the value of security, privacy. You're not being, you are able to communicate in a decentralized way. And for those of you know what that means, it means that no one knows what you're doing. Decentralized, encrypted, totally secure. Your communications, your transmissions, the phone and laptop allow you to do what? Make phone calls. So you have voice, video, text, email, storage, you name it. There's a lot of things. And it's all blockchain based, immutable, unhackable, and secure from the prying eyes of anyone. And no one has access to it but you. Okay, this router is where I wanted to go, right? Now, you see this router? You get this router, and it may look a little different when you receive it because the design, and they mention that down here, that the packaging and that for display purposes, the pictures for display purposes, and the product that you may receive may be slightly different. But it's not about the design or the product's look. It's about what the function of this product is. But the exciting part is, for $600, $599, once you become a member, right? $6.99 for everyone else. You can get this, and you get what? 1,000 Xden. Now, what does that mean? Let's go back just briefly. Xden is how much? 52.40 at the moment we speak. And when you look at how well it's been doing, and some of you can look at that chart and tell, right, that when you look at that and you say, hold it, for $599, $600, I get 1,000. Now they're locked because this router is not, it's a node. You're providing a service on the blockchain. You're providing that decentralization, a point of decentralized, one of the decentralized nodes on that blockchain. And you become in a part, as this router is, an integral part of the blockchain, just like what? The coin, just like the other validator devices. The other devices, just like the other devices, right? So read more about it, and then I encourage you to become part of this revolutionary, innovative system that is about providing global access to the internet, and allow you to also be able to have income that is residual and growing. Position yourself and do it today. Check out the information. No pressure. Get the white paper, sit back, read it, and then tap that link. Opportunity for you, and we'll keep growing and we'll grow together.